Whether it improved enough for a flight test of the B3 bits and pieces in a Bug 6 frame, so I decided to take it out and give it a whirl. So just before we get into the rest of the flight, this is what it looked like after the last change. I put a camera in it, a Foxy in the front of it, and also hung the camera housing for the Y1 Lite high-res camera. And you notice that I've actually got different props on it, because one of the things that was a bit disappointing about the flight, as you'll see in a moment, was a little bit of vibration. And about the only thing I could put it down to was those pointed props. They manoeuvre well, they're good props, but they're never quite as smooth as the bullnose props for some reason. So good for a fun fly, but not if you're trying to get smooth video. So here we go, and of course it's an early magpie swooping season, so I had a bit of fun with the local birds along the way. Splice that bit onto the photo of the paper. Ground there. There's the bird going for it. It's hard to make it out of the trees, but luckily the sun's just sort of glinting off the wings a little bit. You can just see a little sort of light flash. About an inch off the ground there. Land.
bird. Jeepers. I'm scared to get too close though, so he veers off. He's just trying to intimidate it from afar. Ooh. Amazing sky. It's almost like a rainbow around the edge of that cloud. I don't know if it's just my sunglasses, or maybe it is.